Damn, Jam, this shit a vibe.
187 North, man. You know how the fuck we coming, man.
I mean,
What is so bitch, she a tree? Hold up, said she need me. I can't fuck with them niggas, they goof. Now we wipe them out like a squeegee. Every time I pop up on the block, these little niggas be acting like they do not see me. Lil' bro go done with the deuce. When we sending that shit off, I know they gon' eat these. CP, ballin' like CP3. That bitch said she wanna be with me. I can leave that little bitch, it's easy. Recipes Ali, through death, know he gon' eat with me. Yeah, these bitches be sleazy, so I'm keeping a beam with me. Ready or not, me and bro creepin' with the knock. Trey 8 deuce, split a nigga top. Got this little bitch turned into a bot. Like, she just want me to stop, but I'm jugging, racing to the top. And she see how I mix up the beach. Know that a lot of these niggas be tricking a lot. Not me, I be throwing them hooks like I'm Ollie. I just came out the back of this new Benz. Bitch said she wanna come top me. I don't trust none of these niggas, they phony. These niggas just come around the plot. You know me and lil' bro always peep game. You gon' tweak and get left in a box. Like, whoa, like, who in the spot got hit up? Lil' bro in the house with the dog. Man, I hope he ain't fucking a mix up. Bad little bitch, I'm dropping hearts in the DM. She said we should get up. And fuck all the ops, they be on dick, they hoping that we never get up.